are congruent. So AQ equals to AR. That is basic thing which we have to remember. Also same rule applies to B also. So BQ equals to BP. Similarly C also. CR equals to CP. Right? So these three things we must always remember and move ahead. Okay. So what we want? Perimeter of triangle ABC. So what is that? So perimeter of triangle ABC is what? See this, AB plus BC plus AC. So AB plus BC is what? BP plus PC, right? And plus AC. Okay. So AB plus BQ plus CR plus AC. Okay. Means what? This BP equals to BQ, right? And BC equals to PC, right? Sorry, PC equals to CR, right? So we get this. But AB plus BQ is what? AQ. And CR plus AC is what? AR, right? And we have the values of both. So 5 plus 5, that is 10. So perimeter of triangle ABC is 10. Watch this part again because this is very important. This BP and BQ, how they are equal? See this, BP and BQ, same tangents to a same circle from same point are congruent. Similarly for PC CR, right? And then you combine this AB and BQ, CR and AC. Okay. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.